University Open Days in Australia 2022. You can go to the Hobart campus on Sunday, the 11th of September 2022, or perhaps the Burnie campus, Sunday, the 18th of September 2022, and also Launceston, Sunday, the 25th of September 2022. Open day events are going to be held in Sydney as well on Saturday the 3rd of September 2022, but if you're in Tasmania and you can get along in person, make sure you do it. If you're looking to enhance or revive your career prospects, or maybe you just want to know more about study options available to you, well, guess what? University of Tasmania Open Day is where you can find out exactly what University of Tasmania can offer you at their Open Day. That's your chance to learn everything about studying at this university. Now, they're currently offering an exciting virtual experience. It's a great way to explore University of Tasmania campuses. You can access key information about their units in their courses, as well as pathways, scholarships and more. So use the link in the description below or go to their website. And if you can't get there in person, especially if you're overseas, guess what? A lot of these universities have the option that you can get online and be there in a virtual sense. And these are all designed to help you gain success.